Hi, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change the Siri voice on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, go to your Settings app, and then go down to Siri and Search. And here, under Siri Voice, you can set the voice option for your Siri. These first options aren't languages, but they're actually accents. So if you want your Siri to have a normal American accent, you can use that. And then there are 4 different voices. I believe the American voice 4 is the original Siri voice, the default that comes with your phone, which is what I have mine on. But if you want your Siri to be British, you can click on it and it will begin downloading the voice to your phone. And that is how you change the Siri voice on your iPhone 13 Pro.